Too bright. Ethan at home. And I'm glad to be home too.
Videotaping them?
Yep.
Welcome home. He's sleeping, but welcome home.
He ain't sleeping.
Huh?
Still like he's peeking.
Hey, buddy. Want to come see your bedroom? Nice and warm in here. That would need a blanket. Oh, that's funny. Come here, monkey. Come here, buddy. Come on, you see your room? Look at your room. You like it? These are monkeys. Huh?
Whoa. Why does it seem so far up? What'd you do? You had it way too far up.
Not me. There you go, buddy. How's that?
He just turned his back on you guys.
Yeah, he did.
It's like, go away, leave me alone.
Hey, buddy. Yes, hey, buddy.
I'll bring the blue blanket in here and just... Here.
So here's her mommy in there. You got to pick up.
Oh, you gonna cry, buddy? You gonna cry, buddy?
Oh, he doesn't like that big.